Welcome. In this video, we will cover contextual links, what they are, why they are powerful for SEO, and how to use them effectively to improve your website's authority and rankings. A contextual link is a hyperlink placed within the body of the page content, surrounded by relevant text. Unlike slidebars or footers, contextual links appear naturally in the flow of the content. For example, in a blog about digital marketing, a sentence like "Learn more in our SEO guide" contains a contextual link. It connects readers to a relevant page. Contextual links are valuable because they give context to search engines. Google uses the surrounding content to understand the link's relevance, making them stronger than random links. They passes link equity, improve keyword ranking, and helps Google discover new pages. Pages with contextual links rank higher compared to those with slidebars or footer-only links. For users, contextual links improves navigation and learning. They guide readers to related helpful resources without leaving them lost. Contextual links can be internal links, that is within your website, external links pointing to other trusted sites. Both are useful, but internal links build structure while external links add credibility. The best practices are like use descriptive anchor text, link only to relevant, high-quality pages. Don't overdo it. Keep it natural. Place links early in the content for more impact. Avoid stuffing too many links, linking to irrelevant or spammy sites, or use generic anchor text like "click here." These practices hurts SEO. A contextual link is a hyperlink inside your content. It boosts SEO, improves user experience, and helps Google understand content relationship better than non-contextual links. Thanks for watching. Add contextual links to your content today to improve SEO and user engagement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.